So you're ready to go on a long journey. Plan your journey and be prepared with what you might need. Screen wash, tow rope, air pump and jump leads. Enough tools for simple repairs, and check your tyre pressures. I like 33 psi the front, 36 on the back, and then the spare tyre. Why not check all your fluids in the engine? The battery should be too weak to start the engine. Connect the positive terminal here, earth terminal here. Only open the radiator cap when the engine's cold and top it up here. Pull the dipstick out, wipe it and check between the two marks. If it did need any oil, that would go in here. You need fully synthetic oil in this car. Small solar panel keeps the battery topped up if it's left standing for a while. If you listen to the radio too long when it's parked. And then you got your washer fluid. These are for the headlamp washers. Windscreen washers. And you've got your brake master cylinder and reservoir there. This is where the oil filter goes. Steering fluid reservoir. Just stick a cloth over it. Pipe wrench. And turn. I've bought myself a washable air filter. The stock air filter, you just pop the clips here to get it out. And the pollen filters are clipped on behind there, easy as that. The aircon is probably too difficult a job to do for yourself, but most garages will do it. Down there the aircon pump is driven by the main belt, so best just to use it or lose it. I find if you just put the aircon on while you're driving, just once a month, even if you're cold, just do it, and it prevents the plastic O-rings deteriorating. And the OBD, if you've got one of these, OBD2 reader. Now the reason it's called a 2 is the original, called OBD, is on these early model E38. So you need an adapter, which you can get from Amazon or eBay. Plug it in, connect it up, turn the key to position 2, and then you just go through the fault list here. Okay, so on my machine at the moment there are 2 problems. You get an error code, take a note of that, and look up the engine code on the internet if you want. P0153 OBD code.
According to your mechanic, the P0153 trouble code is an indication that the oxygen sensor is not properly regulating the fuel and oxygen levels.
Here's another gadget I found online after you've done your service. Just reset the inspection and the oil change warning. Check you got enough fuel to begin your journey, obviously, and the eagle-eyed amongst you will have noticed I'm running LPG. So if you do need to inspect any of the cylinder head functions like coil packs and spark plugs, you can just pop this cover off and then unscrew the bank covers, but that's for another day. That's pretty much all you need to know to keep the car running. Happy and safe motoring. Now, if you want to learn how to adjust the wheel alignment, there, driving experience videos here and here, and this one is upgrading the headlamps to angel eyes.